how to buy Dogecoin token. So this token came under the symbol of Dege, DAGA. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Dex's account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 13 hours ago and increased by 65,000% in the last 24 hours. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine. For that, as you can see, so I will just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. Now, what you need to do, just click here on swap. Now make sure to select the Solana token, and from the bottom click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it, and now here you can type how much you want to buy, like that, and this is how much you will be able to receive. So after that, scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see here swap. Click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter or OKX provider page to complete the buy process. So it's easy and simple. So this is how to buy Dege token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.